Now we are starting with the class 6 maths. That is, the first chapter is knowing numbers. In the knowing numbers, we have a very important topic of discussion, that is the place value and the face value of a given sets of numbers. So we will discuss over here the first chapter, that is the knowing numbers. In the knowing numbers, you have the two important topics, that is the place value and the face value. Face value. To understand this, we are taking a simple example over here. Suppose I have the number 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. This is my number. So we start from the right hand side of the value, that is the right hand side. The right hand side, the first number we have, that is the 6. So 6 stand at the position, that is the place value, is called ones. O-N-E-S, ones. This ones means that it states the value of 1, that is 1 into 6. And this is the place value. This one is nothing, is the place value. Once is the place value. To understand, that is the once is the place value. Once is a place value. Now the next is, we have 1. The 1 stands for the tens. 1 stands for the tens. So 1 stands for the tens values, that is the tens. And tens stands for here is 10 into 1. This is your tens value. Okay, this is your tens as a place value. Now the next, now the 2 stands for the hundreds. Hundreds. Okay, so 2 stands for the position of hundreds. So when you're talking about the hundreds, it means 100 into 2. Okay, and 100 is the place value over here. Place value. Now 3 stands for the thousands. Now 3 stands for the thousands. That is THOUSANDS. Thousands. So 1000 stands for 1000, 1000, 1,000 into 3. And this 1000 stands for the place value. Place value. Now 4. The 4 stands for the 10,000s. TEN, 10 thousands. 10,000s. So the 10,000s have the 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1000 has 3 zeros. Now the 10,000 has the 4 zeros. 4 into 4. So here the 10,000 is the place value. Now the next is 8. 8 stands for lakhs. Lakhs. And here the lakh position has how many zeros? 1000 has 3 zeros, 10,000 has 4 zeros. So lakhs has the 5 zeros 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into 8. And this 1 lakh is the place value. So in your mind will come, what is the face value? So face value is the values your position acquire. Your 1's position acquire the 6 face value. Your 10 position acquire the 1 face value. Your 100 position acquire the 2 face value. Your 1000 position acquire the 3 face value. Your 10,000 position acquire the 4 face value. And your lakh position acquire the 8 face value. So numbers which is given, they are known to be a face value, and the position you define from the right hand side of your book or a copy from your right hand side of your page, the 1's position, then a 10's position, then a 100 position, 1000, 10,000 and a lakh position. So how you are going to accumulate these points? How you are going to do this accumulation of these points? The way of doing the accumulation of these points, it's very easy, and you will get the back number which is given over here in the above. Now we are going to write this. How you are going to write these values? Just take an example of 3. If someone asks you, write the place value and the face value of 3, how you are going to write? The place value of 3 is, the place value of 3 is, you can see over here, after 3 you, how many numbers you have? 1, 2, 3, that is 3 zeros, that is 1000 into 3. So the place value of 3 is 3 into 1000, that comes to be 3000. Okay, and the face value of 3 is 3. This is the way you are going to write the answers. Now we start with the exercise 1.1 of the knowing numbers. Now in the first exercise 1.1, write in figures which you have already studied in the class 5th, the way of writing the given statements in a type of figures. So first we discuss one question, and the question is 7 lakh 87,000 878 878. You have to write this statement in the type, in a given type of figure. You have to write in the number form. Okay, so what you have, the 7 lakh, you have 7,87,878. So as I have told you, that is you have 7 lakh, वो इंटू करके लिखना पड़ेगा, बस ऐसे रहेगा, 7,87,878. Just see the position once: tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So you have 7,87,878. This is the way you have to write. You have already studied this in class 5th. Other questions given at the end of this video in a form of worksheets. Now the question number 2, write in the expanded form, and you have to write the expanded form of the number 908, 623. Okay, you have to write 908, 623. First, what you have to do, you have to name their place value, that is ones, this is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay, This is the way you are going to number. You have to name the place values. Okay. After placing the place values, what you have to do, you have to write in the expanded form. So expand, how you can expand them? Expanded form, very easy. Just write the first number 9. Okay. 9 has how many numbers after 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means into, put a 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the numbers are appear after a 9 number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to put that much zeros. Now the next. That is the next is 0. So the number is over here is 0 into. It acquired how many positions after 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Next, the value is 8 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 plus 6. After 6, how many numbers are there? 2. So 6 into 2 zeros plus 2. After 2, how many number is? 1. 2 into 10. Next, after 3, as you know, the 3 acquire the ones place. On 3 into 1. Now you can see over here that here is a 0. Okay, so if you multiply any number with the 0, you will always get a 0. So no need to put this expression over here as a 0 over here. So when 0 get multiplied with any of the number, no need to put any number which is get multiplied, because if 0 get multiplied with any number, you will always get a 0. So it is useless to write this number. So straight away what we write, we will write 9 into this lakh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus this 8 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. This is your final answer. Now the next question is, whenever you are given in the expanded form, you have to accumulate into the number. That is the question number 3. You are given as a number like this. 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 8 lakhs plus 9 into 1000 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Now this is a question given. This is given in the expanded form, and you have to accumulate these numbers into a simple points. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So it is a position of lakh because it has 5 zeros. This is a position of 1000. This is a position of tens, and this is a position of ones. You can say this is a position of lakhs. This is a position of 1000. This is a position of tens, and this is a position of ones. What you are leaving over here, the values, that is, you do not have the value of 10,000 over here. You do not have the value of 10,000 over here, and you do not have the value of 100 over here. You can see you do not have any 100 over here, and you do not have any 10,000 over here. So as we did in the last question, we have multiplying with the 0 and we have removed that. So on the place of this 10 of 10,000 or 100, we straight away put a 0. Okay, so what we do, we will write 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, we simply multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is the 8 lakhs. Now we come with the 1000, that is the 9,000 plus 50 plus 8. Now simply add it. Now add them. Add them. 8. Now add them. 8, 5, 0, 9, 0, 8. So the final answer is 8, 0, 9, 0, 5, 8. This is your answer. This is a way you are going to accumulate the number. Now question number 4. Question number 4 say, what is the predecessor of a largest 6-digit number? Predecessor of largest 6-digit number. The question is, write down the predecessor of largest 6-digit number. As he is talking about the largest 6-digit number, the largest 6-digit number is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a largest 6-digit number. Whenever you are talking about the largest, you have to write 6-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the predecessor of this number is -1. You have to subtract -1 from here. So the predecessor of this number is 99999 -1, that is 8. The predecessor of this number is this. What is the sum of the place value of 8 in the given number? You have to write the place value of the number of the 8. 8, 5, 8, 3, 9, 8. So wherever here in this number the 8 number appears, you have to write the place value. 8 appears over 8, 8 and 8. So 8 has a value that is at the position of ones. Now this is a tens, 100. Now it acquired the position of thousands. As I have told you before, thousands. Okay. And then 10,000 lakh, and it acquired the position of 8 lakhs. So how you are going to write your answer over here? That is position of 8. They have asked you the place values of 8. Place values of 8. The first is 8 lakh. So 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The next is 8 thousands. 8 into 1000. That is 8,000. And the last is ones. That is 8 into 1. That is 8. These are the place values of 8s. The next question is, find the difference between the place value of 6 and 5. Find out the difference between the place value of 6 and 5. Find the difference between the place value of 6 and 5, that is 6, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. You have to find out the difference of the place value of 6 and 5. Just see over here, the 6 appear over here and the 5 appear over here. The 5 acquire the place of hundreds and the 6 acquire the place of lakhs. So you have to find out the difference of the place value difference of 6 and 5. So place value difference of 6 and 5. Difference of 6 and 5. So 6 lakhs has a value 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a place value for 6. And 5 into 100. So the difference of the value 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 500. So those two zeros, 10 5 again, 5, 9, 9, 9. Now the last question, how many 5-digit number are there in all? To solve this question, how many 5-digit number are there in all, what we have to do, we subtract a four digit number from 5 digit number. To solve this question, that is how many digits are there in a 5 digit number in all, we have to write, that is we have to subtract a 4 digit number from the 5 digit number. So here we have to take the greatest 5 digit number and a greatest 4 digit number. So greatest 4 digit number, first we will write 5 digit number, not 4. 5 digit number, that is 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. And greatest 4 digit number, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Now as I have given you that we have to subtract, so we will subtract over here. And what we get? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be, there are 90,000 5 digit number in all. In all. This is your answer. Now the exercise 1.2, to find out the predecessors and the successors, that is in the question number 3 and 4. For the predecessor, you have to put a -1 over here. Always remember that in the predecessor you have to -1, while in the successor you have to +1. For example, we will discuss a question over here, and the question is, write the predecessor of 3, 4, 5. The question is, write the predecessor of 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Simply what you have to do, you have to -1 because it's a predecessor. So in the question 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, put a -1 over here, and when you have minus, you will get 6, 6, 6, 4, 5, 3. This is your predecessor and this is your answer. Okay. Similarly, if I said you to write the successor, write successor of 600138. So what you have to do, you have to +1. As in the successor, you have to add. So 600138 plus 1. And the final answer is 600139. This is the way you are going to do the question. Now you have to put the greater than and the less than sign. Now you have to assume the greater than, this is a greater than sign pointing towards the right hand side, that is the greater than sign. And this is pointing towards the left hand side, that is the less than sign. Let's discuss the question over to this. The question is, which one is greater? 43435570 or 98999. So in your point of view, which is greater? Okay, you can see over here how many positions are required over here: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, and here ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000. It's a lakhs and the 10,000. Obvious, lakh is greater than. So what you have to write? 435,570 is greater than 98999. Okay. Now the next question. Similarly, 6017, which is greater, compare, you have to compare it. 6017 comma 10017. Now you have to compare these two numbers, which one is greater or less than. You can see over here that in the first number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and in this number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, this number is greater. It means this number is less. 6017 is less than 10017. Now you have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the number from smallest to the biggest one. That is, the small number should be put first and the biggest number, the largest numbers are put at the end. To smaller to the largest number, they are ending over here. While in the descending order, because it descends down, so you have to put the greater number at the first position, that is the greater number, and reduce it to the smallest one. These are known as to be the ascending and descending order. We'll discuss a question over to this. Now we have to arrange these numbers. This is a question, and you have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. As I have told you before, as in ascending order, you have to put on the left hand side the smallest number first, and make it to be ascend to the greatest number, that is small, that is the smallest number, put it on the first, and on the right hand side it should be a largest number. So first we choose the smallest number from these numbers. You can see over here this is 23,409, 45,000, and the smallest one is 11,818, because these two numbers are given in the lakhs. So the smallest number you have over here is 11,801. Okay. The next number which is greater than the 11,000 is over here is 23,409. So put 23,409. Okay. A next number which is greater than this, that is 45,796. Now come to the lakhs. This is 1,37,584 and this is 3,85,000. That is this one is the greatest. So the next number which come over here is 1,37,584 and the last number is 3,85,641. As you know, I have told you that is the greatest number. You have to put the greatest number over here. So in the ascending order, what you do, all the numbers are greater than this. So what you have to do, you put an arrow like this in ascending order. You have to put an arrow which is pointing toward the left hand side. Now for the descending order, we will discuss the question descending order. In the descending order, you have to put the largest number on the left hand side and the smallest number on the right hand side. So you have to choose over here the largest number. This is 9,801. This is 88,804. This is 2,75,259. This is 2,67,289 and this is 46,656. You can see over here that is 2,75,259 is the biggest number. So you have to put 2,75,259 number over here, which is the largest one. Okay. Then the number smaller than this is this. That is 2,67,289. The next number smaller than this is this. 88,804. Okay. Then the next smallest number is this. 46,656, and the smallest number is 9801. You can see over here that every number is greater than, so you have to put a sign which is the greater than. So I have to put a sign pointing towards the right hand side. In the ascending order, you have to put the sign pointing toward the left side. In the descending order, you have to put the sign pointing towards the right hand side. This is a way you're going to write for the ascending and descending order. All other questions are in the worksheets. You will get the answers straight away because these are the one line answers. Okay, there you will get the solutions for the all other questions. Now for the exercise 1.3, we are moving to the portion where we have to discuss more than the lakhs, that is lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Okay, to understand this, we are taking over here the straight question, and the question is 549. The question is 549 6161 006. Here you can see the number is much more greater, and you have to know which place value and the face value it lies. So first we talk about the place value because the face value is given. So place value, as we have known before, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000, this is lakhs, this is 10 lakhs, and the final, we are reaching to the exercise 1.3, that is crore. Okay, these are the place values you have to remember for the biggest numbers. So how you're going to write these place values, just showing you here over here. The place value 1 into 6, where is your place value? That is the 1. Tens already knows 0 into 10, that is the tens values. 100, 0 into 100, I have told you this before. 100. Thousands, 1 into 1000. 10,000, 6 into 10,000. Lakhs, 9 into lakhs. 10 lakhs, 4 into 10 lakhs. And for the crores, for the 10 lakh, for the lakhs you use 5 zeros, here 6 zeros, and for crores you use 7 zeros. So 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the 7 zeros for use for the crores. This is a way you are going to define out the place value for the uh, given crore system. Suppose in this question I ask you, place the following numbers in the place value of chart and find the place value of the underlined digits. And the underlined digit over here is what? Over here is, here the question is to find out the underlined place value of the underlined digit, that is 5. So how you going to find out the place value of underlined digit? That is place value of underlined digit. Answer is place value of 5 is, what is the place value of 5 is 5 crores. So how you are going to write 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which answer give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the way you are going to write the place value of 5. Now here we are discussing the question, that is write the given numbers in figures. So the question is you have to write the given number in figures form. And the question is question number 2, D part. And the question says 2 crore 3 lakh 600. You have to write this question in a form of numbers form. Okay. How you're going to write? You know, 2 has 7 zeros. So what you are going to write? If you are having a confusion, 2 into 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 3 lakhs. The lakh have 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then 600 plus 600, 6 into 100. So how you are going to write this? That is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 lakhs. That is the 5 zeros. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 600. 600. So how you are going to write? Add them. Now it becomes 600. Now it becomes 600. Double zeros. 3, 0, 2. That is 1 tens, 100, 1000 tens, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. Now you have to put a comma, that is 1 tens, 100 values. You have to put comma. Then after 2 values, that is this. And again after 2 values, like this. Now it will be count as 2 lakh crore, 3 lakhs, 600. You have to put comma like this. At the first, you have to leave 1, 2, 3 places. Then leaving 2 places, put a comma over here. And again leaving 2 places, then put a comma over here. Till now we have completed till the exercise 1.3, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 related worksheets is given at the end of the video. Please go through the video very carefully. Then try the questions given in the worksheets. Do that questions in your homework copies. Do that questions in your homework copies. And the next video we will meet with the other exercises. Okay, thank you.